Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to take beautiful screenshots of your code, click on this video right here. And without any further delay, let's take some beautiful tweets. To get started, first go to poit.so. So this is the web application we'll use for taking the screenshots of the tweet. And before we can take a screenshot of a tweet, we need the URL of the tweet. So let's go get the URL. And I'm going to get the URL of this. So I'll simply go into URL and get back here. So I'll paste the URL in here. And the screenshot will be generated for me. See how cool it is. And I can customize the look here. There are presets which I can use depending on how I want it to be, and I can change the card to either dark mode or light mode, enable or disable the responses and the size. Okay, so finally I can download it as an image. It gets added to my downloads. Yeah, so this was a really short video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.